Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to do one sample t-test. One sample t-test using StatCrunch. So suppose we have these exam scores and our claim is the mean of the exam score is less than 85%. So that's my claim. So let's see how we can prove or disprove this claim using one sample t-test. So you go to stat and you go to t-stat and you choose one sample with data. So in this example we have data, and I will show you how to do it if you are given just the summary, if you are given the mean and standard deviation and all that stuff. So let's first do one sample with data. So you highlight your variable and you go to the hypothesis test for mean. Mu stands for mean, and we are claiming that the mean is less than 85%. So the null hypothesis, it's always equal sign, so 85, and here you can choose not equal to, or less than, or greater than. So we are claiming that the mean score is less than 85%. There you go. And you hit compute. So now the test statistic is right here. It's negative 1.179 and p-value is 0.361. So that's mean p-value is high. So we're gonna filter reject the null and conclude that the mean score of the exam is 85%. So again, p-value is high. We're gonna filter reject the null and conclude that there is no evidence to support our claim. There is no evidence to support that the mean score is less than 85%. It's actually 85%. So now I'm going to show you how to do it if you just given the summary. So let's first find out what's the mean and standard deviation of this sample. So if I go to stat and I go to summary stat and choose columns and highlight my exam score, and I just need n, the sample size, mean, mu, and standard deviation, and hit compute. Now I have them. I have the mean, the sample size is 9, the mean is 74.77, and standard deviation is 26 point. So I'm gonna go back to stat and choose t-stat one sample with summary, and now I can enter this information. So sample mean is 74.78. I'm just rounding to 2 decimal places. Sample standard deviation is 26.0 or just 26. Sample size is 9. Mean equal 85%, and our claim is less than 85%. And you hit compute. Same stuff we find before. T-test is negative 1.179. P-value is higher. 0.1361. So it's higher than most common alpha. So alpha, the most common alpha value is 0.05. So p-value is higher than alpha. So we're gonna filter reject the null and conclude there is no evidence to support our claim. So now it's time to show you how to find the confidence interval. So you go to options, or you can start over. So I'm gonna actually go to options and edit and choose confidence interval for mean, depend on the question. So by default it's always 0.95 and hit compute. And that's your confidence interval. So lower limit is 54.79 and the upper limit is 94.76. So what does mean? That means we don't know what's the actually mean of the population, but we are 95% confident that the true mean of the population is between the lower limit and upper limit. So that's all for one sample t-test using StatCrunch. In two ways: if you are given the data, or you are given the summary statistics. Thank you guys, and see you in next video.